Hello guys, welcome back to a MyFone channel. I believe that how to extend the battery life is one of the most important topics for every iPhone user. So stop looking at battery health every day. In this video, I'll show you 3 effective ways to extend the life of your iPhone battery. Method 1. Optimized battery charging to prevent battery aging. Firstly, tap on the setting. Then find the battery. Tap on Battery Health, turn on the Optimized Battery Charging. And our iPhone will learn from our daily charging routine to reduce battery aging in this way. Method 2. Charge in a timely manner. Don't wait for your phone to run out of battery before charging it, because the charging cycle will affect the battery life instead of the charging times. Method 3. Stay away from extreme temperatures. According to Apple's official data, the best temperature is 23 degrees Celsius, and don't leave your phone in either high or low temperatures for long periods of time. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Videos here provide various solutions on iPhone issues. Bye. See you in the next video.